Okay, y'all, so this is confession time, but it's a really funny confession, right? And I don't even know how it ended up being funny. I was like feeling down coming home. I was a little bit sad. So I am walking home from the store, bopping to my old school music, and I see two, people carrying their laundry, going to the store, and I decide to stop to let them pass, right? Doing a nice thing. And the girl decides to go straight instead of cutting over because she had a chance to cut in front of her mother or her grandmother to go on the other side because there was room. This girl goes straight and then passes by me and says, "Okay, let me pass, dummy." The way I flipped out, y'all.
Calm down, diddly 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 diddly. They did their best, shoddily diddly diddly diddly. Gotta be nice, hostility diddly diddly diddly. Ah, hell, diddly ding dong crap!
Oh my God. I turned around, I gave her the finger. So I turned around, I said, "I'll let you pass. I'll stop to let you pass. And you gonna sit there and call me a dummy?" I said, I was so upset. I said, "How you gonna get mad at me? Because your behind decided to not use wisdom to cross over where you had space, to go around, to have space to move. But you gonna get mad at me and say, call me a dummy after I done stopped when I could have kept going and blocking y'all from coming. But I stopped and was nice to you to let you pass. Like, are you kidding me?" But that just like broke me out of my funk. I started cracking up while I was walking down the street because I was like, "Are you kidding me?" I said, "Are you serious?" Like, she made me curse. It's like, I was like, what? So yeah, that was my little bitty confession for today. Just in case people want to think that I'm perfect, I am certainly not. So pray for your girl today, cause that right there just almost took me out. And then afterwards, I just started I just busted out laughing because I said, "Where did that come from?" Like, it's so funny because I heard a little thought in my head said, "See that? I gotta get that out." And I was like, "Dang," because I haven't done that in I don't know how long. So I'm like, where did that come from? I mean, I turned around, I said, and I'm telling you, I'm so old school because who does that anymore? Do you know anybody that flips people the bird anymore? Like, or even calls it flipping the bird? Like, pray for your girl, y'all. Pray for me. Pray for me, please. Can you do that? Thank you very much. All right. But I'm not even gonna lie, that putting flipping her the bird made me feel so great because I was like, I did something nice for you, and you gonna get mad at me. Who does that? I don't know. I don't get it. That's how people are. People crazy. Yeah, I'm sitting here thinking about it. Y'all. I'm telling y'all, this thing has me cracking up because I was like, "Dad, where did that come from?" But she was the third person that I was nice to today within a matter of maybe 2 or 3 hours. And they were mean to me. And I'm like, "Why y'all being mean to me?" And I'm being nice to y'all. So she was my third person. I just let her have it. I said, "What?" I was like, I had my back turned and I said, and then she kept going on. I said, "No, you're the dummy. I was stopping to let you pass." Man, yo, the way I'm laughing right now, this is crazy. I was like, where did that come from? See, it's them quiet ones you gotta be careful of. See, I'll be quiet and I don't be saying nothing and people be picking on me. I remember when I was a little kid and I was in the car and we was on our way to Big Bear in Ohio. And this lady cut my grandma off. And that's the first time I seen the first lady get so mad. She said, I was like, "Grandma, like, oh my God, Grandma, what are you doing?" Anyway, I'm good. I'm laughing. That was funny. Just pray for your girl, y'all.